artists. Today we're drawing the nose. The nose is the hardest feature of the face to draw. We have to rely on getting our tone to show the form. Unlike the eye, it's not as distinctive, I think. And common mistakes first. So here's one I did earlier, just to show you I can do it in case it goes wrong. Working on ordinary sugar paper here. Common mistakes first. Okay, 2 hard lines for the bridge in black. There are no black lines down the side of my nose. And people will sometimes draw the nostrils as if they are tunnels under a bridge. No. This is what you should do. Start off with your lightest colour, your white, and draw a circle. You're getting very good at circles. 2 lines for the bridge. Okay? Next bit. We're going to draw a line coming through the nose this way. And we're going to come up about a third of the way up the bridge and draw some triangles. I'm going to flatten it out here. Then we're going to curve it down here. Keeping it symmetrical if possible. If I draw a straight line down the middle-ish, it's the same both sides. Your face is pretty much symmetrical, not 100%, but mainly symmetrical, one of the key words. Yeah? Okay. So next bit, I'm going to take a darker grey chalk and I'm going to put in tone. Some people call it shading. Might need a slightly darker one down the sides of the nose. No, maybe the light one's better. Okay, so I'm rushing this, you can take your time. And around the ball of the nose and underneath. So it's helpful at this point to look at where the darkest part of the nose is, and that is quite obviously the nostrils. And we have in between the nostrils a septum which separates them. So the darkest part of your nose is the nostrils, and they have a more gentle curve. Unless you are drawing someone from this angle, okay, you won't get that. You'll get a more gentle curve, and that will come round to the bottom of the ball of the nose. Don't take it right to the edge because you have this piece of flesh here which curves round. Yeah, so you will also need some shading coming round here, and it curves round underneath the nose, underneath the nostril. And you can make that a bit darker under there. And you will also find a bit more tone underneath the ball of the nose there, and you can start to blend that in a little. You can look in the mirror if you want to make the nose more personalised, more like your own, because I'm just drawing like a generic nose here. So up here, this is the bit that is near to the eyes, here, and that can be quite dark as well, depending on how set back your eyes are, how deeply set your eyes are. Now we talk about highlights as well. Highlights are the lightest part of your nose. Highlights. Highlights are the lightest part. Oops. Highlights, and they would go down the bridge of the nose, usually, not always, depends on your lighting. And watch how I'm curving here. If you, with your clean hand, drag your finger over your nose, it does this movement. So when you're drawing, it helps also to make the same movement. So you might do something like this. Up, over, Down the other side, yeah. There would also be highlights on top of the nose there. How's that looking? Looks good in there. I just want to make my nostrils a bit darker there. Don't feel like they're standing out enough. So we'll stop there. There are lots of really good guides on the internet and worksheets that you can print off. This hopefully will help you, and we'll look at the lips next time. I have some very good tricks for drawing a really good pair of lips. See you next time.